Our today's topic is Introduction to Noun and Nationalities. Before starting to the nouns, let me tell you a few things about Korean language that the people don't use articles. What are articles? That's a and the. For example, I want to say this is a apple. They will not say this is a apple. They will say this is apple. And one more example, the Prime Minister of India. They'll not say the Prime Minister of India. They'll simply say Prime Minister of India. Instead of using articles, they use particles, which we'll see later on. Next, no grammatical gender. The people don't have grammatical gender. What does it means that? For example, if I want to say she is a girl, है so if I'll say what this sentence about, is it about a girl or is it about a boy? With the help of she, you will immediately get to know that we are talking about a girl. When I'm talking about Korean, you won't be able to get it without knowing the whole conversation that we are talking about a girl or a boy. So this is the task we have to do as English speaker to understand whether they are speaking about a boy or a girl. Next is they don't use singular plural things. For example, if I want to say father bought vegetables. Now vegetables, what is vegetables? Vegetables are plural, right? They are in lots of numbers. So but when we are talking about Korean language, the people don't have such things. They'll simply say father bought vegetable. They'll not say father bought vegetables. No, father bought vegetables. I bought apple. Instead of saying I bought apples, they'll say I bought apple. I bought toffees, but they will not say I bought toffees. They'll simply say I bought toffee. Now it's if you have to see the context whether they have bought the toffees or not, or they have only bought a single toffee. For that you have to look at the whole paragraph. Okay, so you have to keep these things in mind when you are talking about the Korean grammar. Before starting the grammar, you have to keep all these three things in the mind. As an English speaker, it would be really difficult to make sentences without grammatical gender. So this is the task as an English speaker you have to take while learning the Korean language. Before starting anything, let's look at the vocabulary first. First we are having Korea, that is Hankook. America, Miikook. England, Yongkook. China, Jungkook. Person, Saram. Fruit, quail. India, Indu. Australia, Hoju. Germany, Thogil. Vietnam, Vietnam. Philippines, Philippine. Canada, Canada. Now if you want to say Indian, what is India? That is Indo. So what Indian would be? Indo-Saram. American. What is America? That is Miikook. And American would be Miikook-Saram. Now Chinese. What is China? That is Jungkook. What would be China? Chinese would be Jungkook-Saram. Now Japanese, Vietnamese and Korean. This is your homework to do. Now we are having a sentence that is I am Gagan. So how you are going to say I am Gagan, I am this in Korean? So it would be like this. I, that is 저는. Am, that is Imnida. Now Imnida is MR and Gagan is Gagan. Okay, we cannot change the name. Now next we are having I am Gagan. So how you are going to say I am Gagan? Translate this sentence word to word in Hindi. This in Hindi it would be मैं Gagan हूँ. मैं in Korean is 저는, that is I. Gagan is Gagan. Who is Imnida. So it would be 저는 Gagan Imnida. मैं गगन हूँ. Now please keep this thing in mind that Imnida we use for is, am, are. Okay, the Koreans don't have singular plural wala thing, so it would be like for is, for am and for are they'll use Imnida only. Now next we are having, let's do the sentences. This is your homework. First sentence is I am Jaya, I am Indian, I am American, I am Vietnamese, I am Chinese, I am Korean. I am making one sentence for you. First is like I am Indian. How you are going to say I am Indian? I is Jonan, M is Imnida, and Indian is Indo-Saram. So it would be मैं Indian हूँ. मैं जॉनन इंडियन इंदो साराम हूँ इमनिदा. It would be जॉनन इंदो साराम इमनिदा.